set any cream makeup, you need to use a Colorset powder, which is a neutral set, which will go on every color, and then you need to apply it with a powder puff. For the purposes of the video, I'm using a flesh colored puff so you can see the powder on the puff. You simply shake a little bit of the powder onto the puff, and if you work it in with your fingers, you get rid of all the lumps. You get a nice even application so that it doesn't fall off as you lift the puff up to your makeup. Press it into any of the cream makeup that is still wet. Because it is oily and creamy, that powder will now absorb that moisture, setting the makeup so it won't transfer off. Reapply until it doesn't take any more, and you'll see the color come back through it, and when it does, it's absorbed all the moisture it needs to. You can now go over with your second color over the top of this, or cut into the next color and just repeat the process with each color you have on the color cup. When you finish your design and everything is all powdered down, to restore the color and the brightness and to remove some of that powder haze, you can spray it again with the barrier spray. Give it about 10 seconds to dry, and then your design is finished.